Step over, now we'll get them live. Right, we're underway. Good start there for there's prompt parts out there. Now you hear the revs go up, so they're starting to get some power down the straight. So there's two boats collided right on that third corner.